compound butter, lemon juice, parsley, garlic, boom, really good. In this masterclass, you'll be able to gain even more knowledge, but more important, more confidence in becoming the cook that you want to be. We'll be working on techniques and recipes focused on the bounty from the sea. And we're gonna learn how to do sous vide cooking 2 different ways. And then one of my favorite courses in any meal, desserts. Oh, right out of the oven, just like Grandma used to make. One of my first jobs was as a poissonnier, and it was just an extraordinary moment in my life. I got to work with so much fish. There's so much more variety of fish than there is meat. We're gonna cook our bronzino in salt crust. I want you to hear it. Dover sole. It's a fish that has a very firm flesh, and therefore it's not gonna flake apart. It's a pretty easy fish to cook. To really get that skin crispy, we wanna get all of that water off of there. You notice all the moisture that's accumulating along my knife? Beautiful. This is something that I eat maybe 2 or 3 days a week. Chocolate pot de creme. It's a small dessert, but extremely rich. You could use a milk chocolate. You could even use a dark milk chocolate. My spoon goes in nice and gently. Look at how smooth and creamy that is. I want you to be enriched in your cooking technique and therefore be able to nourish yourself, your friends, and your family. And you may make a couple mistakes, and that's okay. I've made countless mistakes, but you just keep moving forward. I'm Thomas Keller, and this is my masterclass.